Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a uniquely designed 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom residence. It is located on Hibiscus Drive, Ironshore, Montego Bay. It sits on 0.38 acres of lushly landscape land with just the right fruits you love to have at home. Some features include double car garage, living area, kitchen with eating area, family room, nicely built pool, etc. Here you will be enjoying the cool Caribbean breeze and quiet atmosphere throughout the year. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.